Every time a new AI model launches, the first number you hear is how many billions of parameters it has, as if that alone tells you whether it's any good. Here's the honest version of what that number actually means. A parameter is not a fact. It's not a rule someone typed in. It's a single number, a decimal like 0.0072 or negative 1.34, stored inside the model. Think of it as one dial on a mixing board. By itself, that dial does almost nothing. But when you have billions of them working together, the combination of all those settings determines how the model responds to any input you give it. Here's what most explainers miss. No human sets these dials. During training, the model is shown enormous amounts of text, books, websites, conversations, and it tries to predict what comes next. Every time it gets something wrong, the training process nudges thousands of those dials slightly, making a tiny correction. Then it tries again, and again, billions of rounds of this. Over time, the dials settle into positions that encode patterns, how grammar works, what a question expects, how concepts relate to each other. Nobody wrote those patterns down. The model found them through repetition and adjustment. So when someone says a model has 70 billion parameters, they're telling you it has 70 billion of these individually tuned numbers working in concert. Think of it like the resolution of a photograph. More pixels means more potential detail, but a blurry photo at high resolution is still a blurry photo. In the same way, more parameters give the model more capacity to capture subtlety and nuance. But the quality of the training data and the training process itself matter just as much. A well-trained, smaller model can outperform a poorly trained, larger one. One more thing worth knowing. Once training ends, the dials are locked. The model doesn't keep learning from your conversations. That's why every model has a knowledge cutoff, a date beyond which it simply wasn't shown anything. When the model runs, those billions of fixed numbers get loaded into memory, and every response you get is the product of that frozen configuration. Next time you see a parameter count in a headline, read it the way you'd read horsepower on a car, a rough measure of capacity, not a guarantee of performance. What matters is how the whole system was built. If that was useful, subscribe. New explainer every week. I'm Ariella.